friends, let's see today's coconut macaroon nest and Easter recipe. Now we will be needing 2 egg whites to make 6 of these baskets. So I'm just using an egg separator, the egg yolk separator. It makes work much more easy. And now I'm going to transfer these egg whites to a large mixing bowl. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Just take sugar and powder it in your mixer. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. And now we're going to whisk this for at least a whole minute till all of these ingredients get mixed really well together. Now I'm going to be adding 150 grams of desiccated coconut. Now this desiccated coconut is generally on the sweeter side. That's why we added just 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now in cups it is 1 3/4 cup. And with this I'm going to get 6 of these macaroon coconut baskets. So now mix everything well together. None of the desiccated coconut should be dry. It should be completely wet like this. Now I've lined my cupcake holder with these silicone holders and also with the paper cup ones. But the paper cup ones did not work out. That's why I would suggest that you use silicone ones. You will see why. So now I've just filled about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mixture into these holders, and the silicone cupcake holders are so easy to work with. They're very economical and reasonable too. Now I got mine at Cheap Jack in Bandra Hill Road, Bandra West, just opposite St. Joseph's School. That's where I do most of my Easter, Christmas shopping. And now press it down to the shape of this cupcake holder. The paper cupcake holders got stuck to the macaroons and it was a little bit of a problem, so I would suggest get your hands on silicone ones. And now we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Just keep an eye on it since every oven is different. Don't forget to preheat your oven. The minute you start making this mixture, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And these lovely macaroons are all ready. The paper ones got stuck. I'll show you at the end of the video. And look at them, how beautiful they are, and they're all nice and baked. Now you can fill this up with anything of your choice. I just took a little bit of 50 grams of white chocolate and I just drizzled it over just to give it an effect, just to make it look nice and fancy. You can skip this part if you want to. And then you're just going to fill it up with goodies of your choice. You can fill it up with mini Easter eggs. I've just put up a recipe for rum and raisin mini Easter eggs. You can put that. Or you can just fill them up with chocolates. All of us love chocolates. Even kids would enjoy this treat. So I just got these mini kisses. I got them in the hazelnut flavor and the white chocolate flavor. And I put about I had 2 Ferrero Rochers at home. So I put those. Some gems. Stuff that you just get at your local store. And these lovely coconut macaroon Easter baskets are all ready to enjoy. They look delicious and they are delicious, but they are a little on the heavy side, so one would be really enough, to be honest. So I hope you try out this recipe, guys.
And if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.